Okay.
Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. My name is Amir Shahzad and you are watching Amir Shahzad YouTube channel. And today my video is about Total Station Leica TS09 Plus. And this is a continue playlist series. It's a video number 24. And in this video we will discuss about the setting, regional settings. So last time we will have a video on the work setting. This one is the regional settings. So how we use and what is the purpose of this regional setting, in this video I will try to explain. So let's come with me. So here I have a Leica Total Station TS09 Plus. Once we power on this Total Station, first display is look like what we are seeing now. So here we have a option settings. So here we have a number 5 settings. I'll press on the settings. So number 2 option is regional. So I'll simply press OK for regional. And then we have 3 types of regional settings. One is a general settings, second is a unit setting, and third is the time settings. For the general settings, the first option is HZ increment. What is that? That is actually is the horizontal angle. This is the we call say bearings or azimuth. What we will do in the total station. So this right mean is a clockwise. If we go for the left, that's mean anti-clockwise. For example, now is a clockwise. I'll escape this one and go to the program and then survey. F4 for continue. You see over we have a HZ. This is 322 degree, and if I rotate or swing this over total station in a clockwise, it will come in the positive. But if I go to the left, it's all angle going to a minus. This called is right or clockwise setting of the horizontal angle. So I'll go back to my settings. Settings, regional setting, I press OK. So this one is increment HZ is the right side mean clockwise. If I do left, then it's anti-clockwise. And then the second option is the V setting, vertical settings. That means zenith, horizon and slope. What is that? This is the zenith mean vertical angle, horizon mean the horizontal distance, and third is the slope percentage. Zenith. I will show you this one. I'll escape. Go to again survey. Here you can see we have a zenith mean degrees. Okay, 105 degree 35. And if I use the other option, then showing the percentage. I'll press escape. Go to setting, regional setting, zenith. If I use horizon, what will happen? See here, now is a different things. The maximum is 90, and after 90 it will go to my you can see here I'm moving my telescope. Once it's reached 90, it will automatically change to again is an 89 and 88 something. You can see here. And if I go again to this side, these are called horizon. I'll escape. Go back to my setting, regional setting. Horizon, if I put the slope percentage, I'll press F4 and then I'll check in the survey again this setting. F4 for continue, and here you can see The V is showing in a percentage, 1.9 percentage, 13, 18, 19, whatever we have, this percentage it's showing. So I'll press escape, again escape, and then go to the setting, regional setting, and then V setting I'll change into the zenith, and then is a V after distance hold. For example, if I measure the points, after that measure, if I use the hold option, it's mean once I measure the points it will not change, it's fixed. But if I use the second option, is running, so once I move my telescope, it's always change the V. So is number 5 is a language and language choice. There's both option is locked. For that one we need USB to framework update, and there we can use the option. Currently my instrument we have only single English option. So second page we have a units. If we need to set the units, we have a option now currently degree, minutes and seconds. Second we have a gone degree, milli. These options we already literally discussed in my app video, which one I make on the mobile. That one you can check the Angus detail on that application. The second option is a minimum reading. Minimum reading currently is 1 second. We can change 0.1, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I will leave as a 1 second. Distant units. Currently we are using in meters. We can change into the US feet, international feet, inches and meters. Because we are using meters, so I'll keep it as a meters. Here is the decimals. After points we need how many digits we need. Currently we are using up to the millimeter 3 digits. If you need the micromillis, we can use 4, or whatever we need we can use it. I'm using number 3. It's mean maximum is up to the millimeter. And the next option is the temperature units. Currently is temperature in degree. You can change into Fahrenheit, but we are using in the currently we are using in Celsius. Then we have pressure units. We have a different type of pressure units here. So here we have option HPA. It's called is hectopascal, and we have more options. MBAR, that called is millibar. MMH, this called is millimeter of mercury, and the last option is inch of mercury. So we are using HPA. And then we have a grade units, vertical into the horizontal, or horizontal into vertical, or percentage, whatever we like we can use the units here. These all units we can see on the display. The third option is the time. Here we can use the options. Currently I'm using the 24 hours option. So now is the time is the 3 o'clock, 3 past to 3 minutes. And today date is the 22 October 2018. And here we can, if I go to the cursor, I can change the time, but my time is currently is okay. So I will not change my time. So second option is a date. Here we have an option date. I'll bring my cursor here on the date, and one by one I can change my date. Otherwise, and the third one option is the format. Which format we need the date? Is the first format is showing that is year, month and date. Then is the day, month and year, and then month, day and years. Mostly I'm using the year, month and day, so I'll use my same setting and I'm not going to change. So if you need anything change, you can change after. You can press F4 for continue after settings, so your all setting will be become a default setting. So I will not do anything, so simply I will press escape to come out from this regional settings. So this is a video about the regional settings. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and also what I'll try to explain you already understand. And if you have any question regarding this video or my other videos, please ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer as soon possible. And also, if you like this video, please share to others, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and after subscribe hit the bell icon, and then you get the notification. And one more thing, I will share this video as a live video, so you can watch with me and you can ask to me question on the same time in the chat box. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Please watch with me this video as a live, and so we can reply over chats. Finally, thanks for watching and take care.